Na uvedbo carinskih dajatev so se odzvali tudi trgi vrednostnih papirjev. Trgovanje na večjih svetovnih borzah je potekalo v rdečih številkah, saj so investitorji zaradi negotovosti, ki jih prinašajo nove dajatve, previdni. Ameriški predsednik Donald Trump je ob uresničenju svoje predvolilne obljube pojasnil, da želi z uvedbo carinskih dajatev zaščititi Združene države Amerike.
We're doing things for this country that should have been done for many, many years. We've had this abuse by many other countries and groups of countries that were put together in order to take advantage of the United States, and we don't want that to happen. We're not going to let that happen.
Največji proračunski primanjkljaj so Združene države Amerike ustvarile v trgovanju s Kitajsko. Nove dajatve naj bi sedaj prizadele za okoli 50 milijard dolarjev kitajskega izvoza v ZDA. Peking odgovarja, da si trgovinske vojne ne želi, a se je ne boji.
If somebody imposes a trade war on us, we'll fight to the end. As for the overall China-US relationship, we always believe that the right approach is to base ourselves on better mutual respect and expand our cooperation, manage possible differences in a constructive way, and achieve win-win outcome. We still follow this approach, and we hope there will be reciprocity on the US side.
Ukrep Združenih držav Amerike ne velja za Evropsko unijo, Kanado, Mehiko, Argentino, Brazilijo, Južno Korejo in Avstralijo.
The Americans actually have a trade surplus with Australia. We don't complain about that. We've got surpluses with other countries. So the important thing is no one wins from a trade war. There's no doubt about that. And we look forward to the US and China being able to negotiate a satisfactory arrangement that suits both sides.
Kakšne realne posledice bo prinesel Trumpov ukrep, bo sicer pokazal šele čas, a gospodarstveniki opozarjajo, da se ameriški predsednik igra z ognjem.
Trade war will not only hurt the economic recovery and generally speaking in everywhere in the world, but will definitely hurt U.S. economy itself, because trade war will definitely drive up prices, consumer prices in U.S. There's no question asked. So I think China at this moment, the action of China, is not that really strong, but they cannot just sit there and do nothing.
Kitajski povračilni ukrepi naj bi bili sicer težki okoli 3 milijarde dolarjev. Peking napoveduje carine za uvoz, ki bi jih lahko uvedli za sveže sadje, svinjino in vino.